Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, the one-stop channel for all your health and wellness needs. We're dedicated to providing you with valuable insights and practical advice to maintain and enhance your health. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge. And today, we're tackling a subject that's often swept under the rug but is crucial to understand: chlamydia. So let's pull back the curtain on this common, yet often silent health issue. So what exactly is chlamydia? In the simplest terms, it is a sexually transmitted infection or STI caused by a tiny bacterium called Chlamydia trachomatis. It's an elusive little bugger, often sneaking around without showing any symptoms, making it quite the undercover agent in the world of studies. Now you might be asking why chlamydia is so important to talk about. Well, it's one of the most common STIs out there, folks. It doesn't discriminate between men and women and can affect anyone who is sexually active. But here's a quirky fact about chlamydia. It's often dubbed as the silent STI. Why? Because it can live inside your body without you even knowing it. Sneaky, right? And here's the kicker. If left untreated, chlamydia can lead to some serious health issues down the line. Now that we know what chlamydia is, let's move on to how it can affect us. What are the signs that someone might have chlamydia? Chlamydia, a silent invader, often shows no signs. But when it does, the symptoms vary between men and women. In men, it may manifest as a clear or cloudy discharge from the penis, a burning sensation during urination, or testicular pain. For women, the symptoms can be even more subtle. They might experience abnormal vaginal discharge or a burning sensation when urinating. In some cases, they may also have lower abdominal pain, pain during intercourse, or bleeding between periods. However, it's crucial to remember that many people who have chlamydia don't develop any symptoms at all. This is why chlamydia is often called the silent infection. Even without symptoms, it can still be transmitted through sexual contact, which makes it a silent yet potent threat. Now let's talk about the potential long-term health problems if chlamydia is left untreated in women. Untreated chlamydia can lead to pelvic inflammatory disease, which can cause permanent damage to the reproductive system and even lead to infertility in men. It can cause a condition called epididymitis, which might also lead to infertility. If left unchecked, it's clear that chlamydia is not something to be ignored. But how can we find out if we have it? The answer lies in regular testing, particularly if you're sexually active with multiple partners. So stay tuned as we will discuss the diagnosis and treatment in the next segment. Detecting chlamydia early can prevent serious health problems. So how can we find out if we have it? Well, the good news is regular screenings can help us stay one step ahead, especially for sexually active individuals. Regular screenings are crucial. These screenings are typically recommended once a year or more frequently, depending on your risk factors. Now, you may wonder, how is chlamydia diagnosed? It's quite simple. Your healthcare provider will collect a sample either through a urine test or a swab from the area where chlamydia might be present, like the cervix or the throat. This sample then goes to a lab where it's tested for the presence of chlamydia bacteria. But what happens if you test positive? Don't panic. Chlamydia is highly treatable. In most cases, it's cured with antibiotics. Doxycycline and azithromycin are common antibiotics used to treat chlamydia. It's essential to complete the entire course of antibiotics, even if symptoms disappear before you've finished. Skipping doses can make the infection harder to treat. Also, it's very important to notify your partner or partners so they can get tested and treated too, if necessary. This can help prevent the spread and recurrence of the infection. Remember, early diagnosis and proper treatment are key in managing chlamydia. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to protect your health with the right steps. Chlamydia can be detected and treated effectively. Chlamydia is a silent invader, but with knowledge and regular screening, it can be kept at bay. In this video, we've uncovered the facts about chlamydia, its symptoms, effects, and ways to diagnose and treat it. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle and regular medical checkups are key to fighting this silent disease. It's not just about being aware, it's about taking action. Thank you for tuning in to Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos on health and wellness.